I am talking about vertex graph. Vertex graph can be measured with the gray circle. The gray circle line is the axis of x. Then axis of y is the vertical, the center of gray circle, and north pole. We can measure from A to B the distance. Also, we can get the navigation angle when we sail or navigate from A to B. We can get the angle PAB and final angle PB and minus 180 minus PBA is the final angle to get to the point B. So we can find the initial angle and final angle using Python. Python is very useful. And here, as you can see, the point A, starting point, and the compass direction is northwest, and this direction is west, but the vertex is actually 90 degree, so it means the angle of PAB is less than 90 degree. So, and the A, when we start A to B, and that is northwest direction. And also when we passing the vertex and the center of gray circle, it means this is 90 degree. So we direct sail navigation to the B, and that means we go west 90 degree. And after vertex and we sail to B, that means we go for southwest. And when we arrived at the B point, we get the angle is 180 degree minus the angle PBA or PBV. That is the angle. This is also important. And also we can measure vertex and north magnetic pole. When we calculate the vertex of the great circle, and we can measure, we can point of the vertex graph and the north magnetic pole. Maybe north magnetic poles little bit change in terms of vertex of great circle. So vertex of gray circle is very various, and it changed by the point of AB. If we change the point AB another part, and that means AB make another gray circle. So and the gray circle has a new vertex, so this is very changeable. Now I show you the angle of PAB and PBA using a Python program. Here, okay. Here you can see the Python program. I use the Python, Tkinter, Math, NumPy, Matplotlib, Decimal, Tkinter, something like that. And the measure about I I use uh, program to calculate initial point and the final angle, and this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is A and C is latitude, B and D is longitude. So from P to A is 90 minus A, from P to B is 90 minus C, and also the angle of AP B is D minus B, and the Earth radius is I measure 6,371 kilometer. We use radians, so and here the formula for distance first. This is the distance from A to B. Cosine and cosine, cosine, sine, sine, cosine. And also after measuring the distance of A to B, we can calculate angle of A, initial angle. The initial angle is we can get with the cosine rules, and H, initial angle, is arc cosine. Arc cosine mass cosine cosine PB, and minus cosine PA, and cosine AB, divided by same sine cosine AB and sine AB and sine.
저거 두 개가 다 과줄이디?
어,
왜 과줄을 뜯어서 먹었어?
하나 먹었어. 아, 나 이거 좀 해야 돼.
차례상 올려야 되는데 네가 두 번째 뜯어.
Mass sine PA. Then same, we can get the same pattern, and using this same pattern we can get the final point. And here with the graph I can calculate this is A and this is B, and this is A, this is C, and B and D, and the calculation is 30 latitude and 20 east and 45 latitude and 120 east. We can get the starting direction 58 degree. 58 degree, that means when we starting, and we can go sail to northwest 58.56 degree. We can go to sail. And another this is the final direction. So if we sail to 30 and 20 and 45 120, and we can measure, this is 103. So and we sail when we arrived at the point of B, and we get this 180 minus 100, almost 104. That means 76. 76 degree we can get 76 degree we can and go. Maybe this angle with this angle, the vertex, this like this vertex, this outside. When the the angle is bigger than the 90 degree, that means the vertex is the outside. That is pattern is A, B, V patterns.